How to change your password on Facebook on PC. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow if we want to change a password. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So it's super easy. All you gotta do is open up Facebook in your browser and go ahead and look out for your profile in the top right corner. Once you select it, select the option of settings and privacy and select settings from there and access your settings. Now here we need to go over the account center option, click on account center and open it up on your screen from the left menu that is available. And from here we can find a section called password and security. So click on it. And once we click on it, we can easily find an option called change password. So you can click on this option and you can choose a account that you would like to change the password for. And now all you gotta do is basically enter up your current password. So enter up your current password here, and right below it, you can enter up your new password and then retype your new password and confirm it. Once it is done, you can just go over and click on this option called change password. Before changing your password, if you'd like to log out of other devices, you can choose this option right here and click on change password and confirm it up. And that will reset your password. If you have forgotten your old password, you can tap on this option called forgotten your password on the login page. And you can follow up the steps using your email or phone number. And you can also use a very strong password mix of letters and numbers. And that should also do it for you. But that is it, everybody. This is how you change your password on Facebook. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.